Here we are at the Mount Zion Center, located at 4453 Clintonville Road in Waterford. And you're looking at the main shaft, and it leads to this cylinder here that heats and cools this room. And you can see that it cuts through the wall up there at the peak. And it comes out on this side of the wall into this room. And that you can see it stops there. What we'd like to do is add a full section so that the duct continues on, picks up from there, and it ends just past this beam there, which is approximately 15 feet. And so what we'd like to do before we get up there and show you the measurements is we would like to remove this drop right there, that rectangle right there, seal that off. We'd like to add a 15-foot extension to here and put that drop that we removed from the other side and install that into the center area of the shaft there. And then of course put that little exit pipe on the end of it all.